So there you go, limit. Mm-hmm. So we can kind of make it query based thing, right? So we can pass it over here. How can I get transaction? We have a request, right? So I need query, and that query should have query, and this query would have a type as well. So I'll say transaction limit, right? And this transaction limit, we can just maybe we can have it over here. It says all right. Do we have we can get it like this, all right? So let's go on controller. Here I can pass the query dot limit. Of course, it should be separated by this thing, right? And yes, we have hello, 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 hello. Yeah, I'm just working on a stuff over here. So it has a backend HTTP server that is I'm using Rust for that. So the code that you are watching is actually it's a server. So this API is to fetch the transactions that I'm using limit now. I'm updating the endpoint to use limits. Yes, it's a server. Yep, 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 yep. So good to have you here. Uh, are you into Rust programming? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Great. So have you worked with Actix Web before? Rig is my name. Awesome, awesome. Hello, hello. Good to have you here, sir. Noise. We have GitHub. Okay. Oh yeah, just with GitHub, I just remember. So let me just share my GitHub handle so that you guys can check out some uh beginner friendly Rust uh projects so that if you can contribute to. I'm just uh giving my Twitter handle as well. AV and web app frameworks in Rust by categories. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Noise, noise, noise. I'll surely check that out. Amazing. Noise. Cool. Man, it's really, really a bad weather here. So electricity is like fluctuating. So it just came and it's like gone again. So I have a better like what I'll do is I'll just remove my this monitor and maybe come from a laptop. Can come here. Just I follow you on GitHub. Thank you. Thank you. I will follow back. Thank you very much. All right. Let me just close this thing as well. Now we are okay. So yeah. Uh, So if there are 5 transactions, so I need to create that one. uh, Maybe I can just okay, so if I go back, maybe I can create few more top-ups here. uh, just one more, maybe 20. I've got an error occurred. Now here is this thing. Now that is called a bug. A buggy bug. Uh, let's check this thing. Um, this is okay. Transaction, right? So electricity is back, by the way. So should I connect my system or not? Maybe that could raise an issue. I built framework called and headless CMS built on it called Inuta. It beats anything because 0JS. I've been loving web GPU too, and from previous project I bought in WebGPU and Canvas. Made HTML live injection motion libraries amazing, amazing, amazing. Noise, noise, noise. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Make sure you like this stream and make sure you come on chat. Let's hang out. Hello Pranav. Hello, 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 hello code guy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello. No AI? Yes, sir. No AI. No AI. Laudena Vojum. Best thing to grasp. Rust us for front end and back end. Yeah. Let me just connect my monitor now that electricity is back. So yes. What are you doing? Nothing, just working on something. Working on a task here. So the transaction API that I created is actually fetching all the transaction records, but I don't want that. I need uh, only a specific records. And oh wow, nice. Okay, that is cool. If you use AI for documentation. Yeah. Why Rust? Because first thing I wanted to learn Rust. Okay, just give me a minute, guys. Uh, Come on, people. We have 2 likes. Let's make it to 10. And one more thing, I'll be back after dinner. Okay, so uh, I'll be back after dinner. So sorry to leave you that way. I spent 20 years of my life learning programming, but have to be honest, you can't compete with Cloud Code. World is shifting to code review greater than writing code. Yes, world will shift, but the thing is, not everyone is going to write a good code. So I'm not talking about any tool, but as a human. So I think you have to practice writing code. You should know how code works because that is going to be a skill of the future now. If you know how code is working in the hood, under the hood, so that will be a rarest of the skill in the coming future. So instead of DSA now, people will simply ask basic like concept wise questions in the upcoming interviews. I think so. That could be the pattern. So maybe, yep. Yeah, basics is must no matter what. Correct, correct, correct. True. In companies we have, yeah. Correct, correct, correct. So productivity is going to be increased. Yes, deadlines are going to be tight. So they will be tighter now again because your fucking manager would not care about your stress or something. He knows that an AI can you can take help of an AI, so he will just squeeze the deadline more. So deadline is going to be stricter and AI is going to be a part of development. But again, basics, these are the must. I think knowing Rust deeper with AI is most powerful. Uh, yes, yes, exactly. But I mean, uh, like if you are working with a low level language, then basics are must. I mean, you can take uh, things for granted on web dev, but not on low level things. So for web dev, you can take things for granted because at least you can take this thing web dev for granted. But at low level, you have to be very like, I mean, you have to know your stuff. How low? How low are you going? Currently, I'm not going that much low, but I have really a keen interest of going very low, like below the belt. So I would like to go very low. I mean, this gives the kick. I mean, I have like very much interest on that. Working like with the memory and all. I wish if I have one wish to be like fulfilled, I would like to have it like I know a very low level stuff. What are you building? Nothing. Working on a full stack application. Front end is React Native, and back end I have written it in Rust. All right, so I'm writing as a module for BIOS, which is Ring 2. There is only one lower level. Hmm. What do you dream to build? Let's build it. For now, I have to figure out this bug in transaction screen that I'm getting. But you know what? What we can do for now? We can just hit like on this stream. And unfortunately, I'll have to go for a dinner and I'll be back. So hopefully, if any one of you will be waiting till now, then we'll again join. Otherwise, we'll have to continue this thing. All right, guys. I'll see you in a bit. Uh, I'll see you in a bit. Give me a minute. Hello. Hey. All right. Okay. This is our thing. So probably we can fetch a logger here. Mm-hmm. Tension and log origin would be controller. All right. So let's see. Let me just rerun it so that I can just see it. Uh, let's refresh. All right. So what do we have here? Uh, Profile. Okay, I'm getting it now. So we have 5 records. Now let me just introduce one another. If I just hit top up to 100 again. Mm-hmm. All right, but I'm still getting 5 here. So this is cool. And maybe over here I can say by the way, if you want to know how I implemented this logger, so you can check out my previous videos as well, or maybe I can just walk you through. Let me know. uh, all right. Uh-huh. Okay. Now let's go here. I think I have it. Um, this thing. Let's go over transaction selector. So we have our results here. So how to deal with the case in this one is suppose I get five values, right? So when I fetch, when I click load more, it should fetch. So initially it would be ideally what it does, it should push on to or use the spread operator to update this thing, right? But instead what we can do for now, let's see. uh, this is it, right? No, maybe I can just so fetch transactions here. Can we maintain a state? You are back. What's special? Nothing. Nothing, my friend. Do you work? No. Yes, I do. Yes, I do, my friend. What's your name? The code guy one. What's your name? You can call me code guy. Uh, you making and bank related stuff? Yes, sure. I will call you code guy plus plus. Are you working somewhere? Are you a student? Code guy plus plus. Plus plus lol for. Yes. So your handle is code guy 01. That's quite hard coded, so I just make it. Bro, please listen. Please just see. Bro code. What kind of project you working on? Nothing. All code are here on chat today. Just sitting, buddy. Huh? What the fuck? Yeah. Oh my god. It turns out like white looks like everyone. There is only one guy, I think. He has different handles. The code guy, just code, bro code. Is this a universe of just code? Is this a universe of coding code guys? Everyone is a coder until he has some handles that start with code. Okay. Uh, mm. So there should be a set over here, right? Syntax is so weird, bro. Uh, those are different persons. Yes, I hope so. Yep. Uh, maybe I can just start with what? Oh no, not from Zod. Not from Zod. Mm. Are you doing shorts stream? Why is this your screen so small? Yes, it's for mobile devices. SQLX query as macro. Yes. Yes, there are multiple macros like plain query, macro, query as, yeah, query and query as. So over here, if I do fetch, maybe I can pass in a limit, and maybe here I can say, and then I can just pass in the limit here, and And here I can say all right. Limit. Now what we can do here is this won't change, right? But this does. So if I do it again, I'll have it set. Let's see, maybe we can test it by having a use effect over here. That's gonna do changes. If we have to check the side effects of this thing, right? So use effect. uh, all right, let's see this thing. Let's see it in action. Come on guys, where are you? Where is all of the guys? Come on. Make sure to like this stream and come over. Let's hang out. Okay. If I go over here, check out for transactions. Let's see the terminal. Okay, so the limit is 5. That's what the basic thing is. And if I click on load more, the limit is 10 and I can see 3, 6. And if I do this, okay, the side effect is working perfectly fine. And I can see the updated things as well. So this is good. Load more, it won't show. This should be outside of scroll view basically. So scroll view. This button should be outside. Let's see how it looks. Ah, mother. boy. Well, rounded exhale and this thing. Maybe we can just say px3. Amazing. 10. Let's do it that way. Maybe we can just move this. Hmm. So I think we have to have this thing under. So this view is the container view. Tutorial. No. What's that? What the heck is tutorial? Mhm. The only issue with this thing is what if I have some more transactions? That is the issue, right? So let's create one. We'll have 3 more top-ups here. So let's create the 3 more top-ups so that we can have this thing. Let's do one more. Mhm. All right, let's check it now. And we have this. We have this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this load more has to be fix. Okay, that is fine too. Scan data. That is okay. Error. Okay, cool. Let me just push this code. I think it is good. And okay. Let me just push this thing. Come on the server. All right. This is pushed. Uh, let's see what else are the changes here. Uh, so Mega Millions. All right. So if I go inside it, I'll have this thing. And create a pool. Okay, let's go on this thing, groups. So groups has basically these all are either private, right? Or mm, or these are public pools. But we don't have any filter over here. So maybe we can have a filter here, right? We already have this thing, right? That we can process. So we need a filter here. Let's go for that. Just one more thing. Oh. Hmm. Yeah, I was checking this thing, right? I need to check on a different branch on my get. If I have 106 commits over here, right? Let me just traverse through the history. Info model 1. So here I go to the main of this thing. I don't have anything over here, right? Let's go a step back. Go here. Browse file. Cool. So I have this point of history, and where is that? It's in root screens transaction, and here I have okay. So this on the pools. That's on groups, right? So this is this search bar. Label is this. So I created this custom text component which returns this thing and has a props and all. Search bar. All these things. Maybe I can have it view. And here I can say we can have a touchable opacity, right? Touchable opacity, and inside this we'll have our icon like this. Like this, but here the name would be filter. The size we could have it like this. Filter list. Color and touchable opacity, we can have it like filter. So let's see here first how it looks. Oh, this is bad. We need to have some styling here. So width, we can give it like this. H width, height. So maybe let's save this and see what happens. Okay. We can do the touch-ups like later on, but let's first of all implement the functionality. So if I click on this thing, it is working, right? So at least adjust that it to a side. Justify space between. We do it like that, right? Items center. No. Is it align items? Yes. To a space between. Do we do like that? Justify center. Okay, justify between. Oh wow, amazing. P. This thing is here. So this view is what it takes it, right? So maybe we can have a px of again of 4 here. Yes, maybe 3 would do good. Distant. Yes, it is good. Size this. Yes, let's see. Okay. Uh, so it's tailwind. So maybe we can just look out how do we define border, background, and all for tailwind. So, are you using Linux? No. Thank you for being here on chat, but no, I'm using Mac. Uh, I use like Arch Linux, but my system is very old. It's a day younger than the God only. So it's a PC, so it just make very loud noise, and it's very short on RAM. It has a like kind of old as RAM and low on storage. So like it hardly runs with all these things tied to it. So but this Mac here is powerful, so I just do streams from here. I mean, if you check out my other videos, you can see me sometimes like coding on Arch. Okay, filter list, purple and all, and let's figure out some things. So I guess I'm the only one who is looking for the documentation in Tailwind because AI just nailed it, right? That leads to like firing of many people working on Tailwind because the documentation is the only kind of source of revenue, is one of the source of revenue. So no one is visiting the documentation, so they fired all the team members. Crazy. uh you know what, maybe we can do how to set border color and okay, that is okay. Border blue, let me check. So I think for width and height we can just say border And just to check, I can just use the color gray. Let's see. Profile transaction. No. We are here on. Okay. This. Hmm. I think because the touchable opacity is what uh whose width is changing, right? So instead of giving width and height, because that will be same as the icon size, we want that, right? So what we'll do, we can say this thing. Let's see. I can see it now. uh, no, this should not be there. BG purple. No. Background purple. No. BG. Okay, so maybe I can take help of this thing. If I go on transact, no, not on transactions. If I go on profile, I can see. Let me just go again on profile, scan and transaction, right? This is the pop-up model, quick actions. So this is the transaction. So maybe we can have this color of for the filter. So this color suits well. Where are we? Where are we? Tabs, private group. Yep. And yeah, filter list. So maybe color. We can give it like this. Let's see. And the background. I can say BG purple 500, right? Private. Where is that? Yeah. View. We can just adjust this thing. Uh, Amazing. Ooh, this looks But the thing here is, I think if we can just remove this thing. No, we have to give it some. That's cool. And overall, we have to top and then px. It's from the top. Maybe my could show this. So upon clicking the filter, it should open a menu that says private, public, and all. Right? So we need three options over here. So we need some kind of box. We'll figure out how to do that. Can you show the other screen as well? No. No, sir. Amazing. 4 more likes to go. Come on, people. 4 more likes and we are there. Just give me a minute. I have to put on this thing on power. Yeah. Hello. Can you please turn on the lights? I'm just coming. All right. What do we have here? Electricity gone. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. I have to go. Bye bye.